Do we continue to wait for Ono, who went in to ease himself and refused to come out? Or do we proceed with the meeting?
But you know who told us that he is having a running stomach? Huh?
Why will he not have a running stomach? When all he does is to eat pray.
Huh?
But she should be eating solid food like men do. What's going on?
Your time is up, Akataka.
Who dares storm into the palace of a king?
You know me. My name is Imendeli. You know exactly why I'm here. You buried me alive, but death rejected me. I have come to take what is mine.
I will never surrender this throne. Do you know what it took me to get this throne? I know your problem. Your problem is money. I will give you money. Enough money to take care of yourself.
Man, what I am here for is bigger than money.
Of the deep night, hear the voice of the chosen, the boy who rose from the grave of betrayal, the blood that demands power must not sleep again. So, it is done?
Yes. It is done. The usurper is gone. His blood watered the throne.
The spirits accept your offering. But you must remember this, Ndeli. The power from the grave is different from the power of men. It binds the flesh and drinks from desire. There are rules you must never break. First, you must crown yourself king at the stroke of midnight. Not before and not after. Because midnight alone opens the gate of dominion.
The most beautiful and most powerful. Ndeli Kwadolofuma. Ndeli will be a god amongst men. Ndeli will never ever break any part of the covenant.
Secondly, your seed belongs to the spirit. You must not touch any other woman except. For if you touch another woman, the spirits will turn against you.
I agree, as a wine, and I will obey.
Good. Now drink. Go well, my king of the night. For when the cock crows thrice, your reign begins, and the earth shall tremble at your name. Yes.
Hi! Hi! Hi!
My husband.
It's a kuwadi.
My husband.
Eh?
What happened? I
Hey!
heard gunshots. People said the palace was on fire. What happened?
Hi! She not my wife.
Eh?
What my eyes saw today, my mouth cannot tell.
What happened? What did you say?
It was Ndeli. It was Ndeli, the son of Amadi. He stormed the palace today with men carrying guns.
Hey.
As we speak now, Akataka the king is dead.
Hey, Chine.
He is dead. I don't know how I managed to escape. Eh? I don't know how I managed to make it out of that place alive. I hid behind one of those royal pillars. And I strongly believe that the gods must have blinded them because their bullets did not hit me. I escaped by the whiskers today. Hi! Ndeli. Ndeli has come for revenge. He killed the king before the throne, and I saw it with these my two eyes. I saw it. Hi.
My husband, we must tell the police.
Hmm?
Yes.
Tell who?
Police now.
Police. Nobody should know I'm still alive.
Hey.
Do not tell anybody, including your blood relations. Don't tell them. Please. If Ndeli manages to know that I'm still alive, he will hunt me down.
Hey.
Now listen to me. From this night, know it that I, your husband, is dead.
Hey.
From this night, know it that the Onowu of this kingdom is dead. Let them mourn me. Let them believe that I fell with the rest. Did you hear me?
My husband, for how long can we be hiding? For how long? Eh? For how long now?
Until the gods decide otherwise. I don't know.
Hey, for no more. Hey!
I do not know.
It is done. It is done. Indeed, it is done. My path has been washed clean by the blood of my enemies. I have become Igwendeli, the king of Umwese Kingdom. Shoot me!
But your majesty.
You heard me. Let us see if the charm from Okikoma is still potent. Shoot me! All hail the King of Kings, Igwendeli.
All hail the King of Kings, Igwendeli.
I am a god amongst men.
You are a god amongst spokesman.
Eze nwanyị bụ sọ mma inine. Eze nwanyị bụ sọ mma inine. Anya ụtụtụ nwanyị ọma inine. Anya ụtụtụ nwanyị ọma inine. Eze nwanyị bụ sọ mma inine. Ugogbe anya ji ahụ ụzọ inine. Is it why? Your eyes, they are burning.
He has touched the throne. The bond is sealed, but the night is restless. The spirit of envy moves against the king. What do you mean? There is a mission I must accomplish to shield Ndeli from the teeth of the unseen. Protect the King of Midnight.
Protect the King of Midnight.
Enemies move in daylight.
She has gone again to the world of shadows.
He sits on the blood throne of our master, Akataka. We failed to protect him, and his blood seeks for vengeance. Yes, tonight, Ndeli's breath will end. Akataka's debts shall be paid. When his shadow touches his heart, his spirit shall choke, and he will sleep in terror forever.
You there approach the dwelling of the chosen one.
We mean no harm. We are here to fulfill our vow to the dead king.
Death has no claim where my spirit reigns. You failed your master. Now you fail yourself. The wind of vengeance still blows. No harm shall touch Ndeli. Not yet.
My husband, eat something. You've not eaten since morning. Huh? I prepared your favorite. Oh?
Keep it there. I will eat soon.
Eat now. And my husband, see now. Jesus! What was that? Hey, my husband. It's just the children outside playing football. Their football hit the roof.
Children. Football.
Listen, look at it.
Are you sure?
Hi, my husband.
Hi.
What is wrong with you? You check at every sound. What is it?
My dear wife, you won't understand. Fear grips me every minute, every second. I don't know what my fate will be under the rulership of Ndeli.
Don't you think time will heal all this?
Never. Never, oh. It will not. That throne was theirs. It was theirs. And we denied them their right all this while. I thought it was just mere politics. And now live with the ghost of the innocent. Akataka. Akataka was very, very desperate and he brought everyone over. Now we sold our souls. And now I live with the consequences. Huh?
Hey.
Oh, I should have resisted his evil of Nezenum. Hey, I thought Ndeli was long gone. I thought he was long gone. Hey, I'm in trouble.
This is not looking good though.
It is not at all. It is not. Every sound feels like a gunshot. And every shadow reminds me of the spattered blood of Igwe King on the ground.
My husband, please let's go and plead with Igwe and Ndeli for forgiveness. Tell him you are forced or something. Don't die in silence. Please. Please.
Plead with Ndeli.
Yes.
Confess. That is tantamount to bringing death to my house. Eh? Chinelo, dead men don't tell tales. They don't. They don't tell tales. And Ndeli will be very, very happy to kill me. He will never let me live if he finds out I still breathe.
Hey. 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 May the gods protect us. Oh. Hey. Hey. Okay. My husband is okay. Calm down, please.
It is only the gods that will have mercy on us. And that is if they so wish. Hi.
Okay, it's okay. Eh? Stop worrying yourself. You're worried too much. Eat something. If not eating simple. Eh? I don't want to be a widow. I don't want to eat something. Oh. Hey. Hey. God, gods of our land protect us. Oh. Eat, please, my husband, eat.
Igwe Ndeli, why? Why have you seized the vehicle, SUV, my son brought for me from Lagos?
I like the car. It now belongs to me.
No, it can't belong to you. My son sent it to me to aid my old age and help me in my retirement. It can't belong to you, Igwe.
Are you mad, old man? Do you realize who you are talking to? You are sitting before the revered Igwe Ndeli. Your car now belongs to me and that is final.
Over my dead body. That car has not left my house since my son sent it from Lagos. I'd rather die than let you have it.
And so shall it be. Bomba.
Your Majesty.
Take this foolish man outside, shoot him in the head.
Move. Igwe Ndeli, move! It shall never be well with you. I say move! Your family shall never be well with your generation. It will never be well with you. Your generation, it can never be well with you.
Your tears are louder than the drum. Where are the men of courage? Your tears are louder than the drum.
We all know. Ha! The worst has happened. What? I went to the palace to supply my palm wine as usual. When I got there,
What did you see?
what I saw, my mouth cannot even say it.
Say it now. What did you see?
Igwe Ndeli and his men has killed Okafor.
Hey!
Hey!
Eh? What did they do?
I only heard him saying, I will not give my car. I will not give my car. The next thing that I saw was quack, 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 quack. Ebe, gone, everything. Obunigwe. Look, run for your life, oh. The land is not safe. Hey! This land is not safe. Run for your life.
A savior can lose his shadow when vengeance leads the way.
Greetings, the aides of His Royal Majesty.
Servants of the most beautiful and powerful. What brings you to the royal palace?
I bring the king's meal.
The king's meal?
Yes. This food has been prepared as instructed by Ezenwayo Kikioma. He shall eat no other food. Nothing made by man, nothing from the hands of the living, except what we deliver.
Let me inform the king.
Servants of the most beautiful and powerful. Why these instructions? Why must my king not eat from the royal kitchen, but from your easy wine?
To maintain the covenant, any other substance may weaken his power, or worse, harm him.
Ezenwai, I have come to seek for your help. The new king, King Ndeli, he's a terror. Men and women flee from him. He sniffed life out of my aged and retired father simply because he refused to give him the SUV I got for him. And no one was able to confront him. Not the elders. Not the police, not even the council. I met them and they all appeared helpless. My father used to speak much about you when he was still alive. And that is the reason I have come to seek for your help, Ezenwai. Please, help me and help our people.
Obidike, son of Okafo Ikeme, you shall return home. For the powers I operate with are silent. Maybe on another day, they can speak concerning your request. Until then, return to where you trade.
Ezenwai, the most powerful, the greatest of all time. I cannot return. If he had silenced the police and the judges, he cannot silence the gods and the powers I hear you possess. Please, Ezenwai, with your help, Umweze can end this tyranny early enough before it gets worse. Please.
Return home Obidike, for when the powers I operate with speak, you shall hear from me.
I will return.
What a wounded heart can wonder. Power can twist a man. A savior can lose his shadow when vengeance leads the way. Your tears are louder than the drum. Where are the men of courage? Your tears are louder than the drum.
The wind shifts. Another threat rises in town. It will not be easy, but we are prepared.
The land is crying and spirit watching. A crown at midnight can turn.
Ubiama, right?
Yes.
Are you frowning in my presence? You want to die?
No.
Smile. Be happy. I've watched you for days. I made inquiries about you. I was told that you are the most upright and most trusted elder in our community, right?
Yes. I was brought up to be upright. And I told myself, I vowed that I would die that way in Delhi.
Igwe Ndeli, the greatest.
I am sorry. Igwe Ndeli, the greatest.
I have a job for you, a special job.
Hey. Me?
You will be my mouthpiece, henceforth. Yes, your job is to go out there and fix my image. Let the people know how good I am, how great I am. Every bad thing they say about me, it's your job to go out there and correct it. Make the people love me.
Igwe Ndeli, the greatest. I am scheduled to go to the next village for a special appointment. I am supposed to go to a special hospital, to occupy a special ward, to receive a special treatment.
Fear.
No.
I see fear in you.
Yes.
I smell fear. I see you're trembling, your bones are shaking. You will start work immediately. Go out there, purchase a red cap, come back.
Hey, Igwe Ndeli, the greatest. If I may, please,
I see you are rejecting the job. You don't like it? Kodo.
Your Majesty.
Move this man outside, shoot him in the head.
Hey! Move! Red cap. Let me go. Let me go and get the red cap. I'll be back. I'll be back.
Shiro, you mean the Pawan that told you all these things you just said here?
Hi. Nine, may I drop dead if I remove or added something? I was so terrified that I aborted my mission to the village market. He saw everything that happened to Okafo. The gory, the blood, and the gunshot in my...
Hi! Hi! We are finished. We are finished. Huh? If all these things could happen to Mazioka, then it means nobody is safe in the land of Fumweze. Nobody is safe. Perhaps I think it is now time to run to my maternal home. Yes, over there. I will now breathe freely without running away from every shadow.
Hey, right. If that is what you must do, I, Chinelo, must follow you. You go to Bobby. Bobby, nothing. Hey.
The red cap as you commanded.
Put it on.
Eh?
Make me repeat myself out here. By my command, you have become my mouthpiece. Henceforth, you will be known as Ogene Omweze. Your job is to go out there and make the people love me. Spread the news of my goodness to every nook and cranny of this community. Counter every bad thing said about me. Make the people to embrace me as their king and love me. If you fail, the fates that befell Okafor, Ike, and others will befall you.
I will do as you command, my king. Let me go and start work.
Good luck.
Thank you. I'm such a terrible king.
Very angry.
Calm down.
No, don't tell me to calm down. You don't need to tell me to calm down. Can't you see what is happening? Everybody is running away from him. Everybody is running away from confronting that tyrant. We are not getting support from the police, not even any security agency. Everybody is afraid of him. But I am not. Me, Obina, I am not afraid of him.
Then lead the movement.
You that is traveling to Abangwa where you are learning trade. See, I understand his father was killed. I understand his siblings were burnt down by Akataka and his people. I understand he was buried in the forest, but he survived it. Eh? He already had his revenge by wiping Akataka and his household. Why now unleashing the terror on our innocent people?
He believed the whole community supported what Akataka did to his family.
But that's a lie. My family never supported Akataka, not even my father. He would have been a lovely king after reclaiming the throne than turning the devil himself.
That is why you must take the word
to him. Exactly. That is what I want to do. I have weapons. I want you to come with me. Yeah. Come with me. Let us go and fight that terror.
It's not me and you.
I don't understand. Wait.
In the quiet of the night, the shadow rose from pain. His son was buried in the dark, and his name was Pain. His father's blood was calling, whispering from the grave. Oh, a broken
Please,
crown was waiting.
return and abandon this mission. As you can see, no one is coming forth to assist you. Once the next burial month commences, we shall perform the full funeral rites of your father. Bikonnam. No one goes to war without an army or associates. As you can see, even the people you spoke to cannot even come out and talk, not talk of going to war with you. Biko.
Mother, all men left me. But I strongly believe that Ezenwayo Kikoma will aid me in this journey. My father loved this land so much, and he had never supported his uncle, Akataka. What would he think of me from the world beyond if I fold my hand and do nothing, while the land he loved so much suffer from the impunity of a tyrant? Mother, this war is one that I can never quit, even if it means going alone.
Obidike, you are all I have. Your sisters are married. So keep from the only son. And according to our tradition, you are my husband due to the death of your father. Nanano Mayanobi. Listen to your mother. Go back to Lagos. Pico Nam. Anama, Ichukwa can say Bulu. Pico.
Mother, what I said before is what I am saying now. And that is exactly what I will say tomorrow. No going back. Never.
Hey. Obidike.
To think that such a handsome man is this bloodthirsty. Ha! This is extremely bad.
I'm telling you, he would have been a popular, well-loved king if he had chosen to treat people friendly after reclaiming the throne that is originally meant for his family.
Eh? Even Nebuchadnezzar does not come close at all.
For where, Kwano? At all. Ah. For where?
Hi. Jesus.
It's God that just saved us today.
We would have been in a big trouble. Big trouble. Please, let's go. Shh. What's wrong with that put us in a big trouble? Let's go. I can't stay here anymore. Let's just go.
The shadow rose from pain. His son was buried in the dark, and his name was Pain. His father's blood.
Obidike, I tried everything to assemble the remaining elders in the community. And none of them agreed to assemble and discuss Igwe daily, fearing their lives. The rest elders have fled the land, and the police chased me away from the station and warned me never to ever come to the station with this report of Ndeli. Obidike, the son of Okafikeme, I beg you, return to the city and abandon this dangerous and fertile mission. Makandwang.
As a child, I witnessed when Umweze had men with bows. Men that are fearless. Men that can die for her sake. Mazi Okoro, where are those men today? That era has passed. That era is before you and I, Mazi Okoro. If all of you choose to abandon this land, I, Obidike, the son of Okafor Ikeme, will never abandon this land. I will fight with everything in me, not just to get justice for my slain father and others like him, but to liberate this land from terror. I will do anything, whatever it takes. When I said anything, I mean anything.
What happened? What is the matter?
You are going to the river, right?
Yes.
And don't even bother going, because there is serious crisis. When I said crisis, there is serious crisis.
What happened?
My sister. Hope nobody's coming. He's going daily. You go in daily. He imposed a fine on every bucket and gallon of water that is being fetched there. To the extent that he puts people there that are collecting money from tankers and those with buckets and gallons. My sister, it's not a small thing. He said that he owns this community.
Jesus, when? How?
And when the people that normally fetch water from there started protesting, those in charge flogged the hell out of everybody on site. I managed to escape.
We are in serious trouble.
As I'm speaking now, we are gone in this village.
Hey!
We are gone. We are gone.
I'm coming with you.
Daily.
There's a lot.
This boy, Obidike, stirs trouble. He grows in strength. We must be ready.
There's a one you make me laugh. We must be ready. Be ready for what? For a little boy to challenge me. You speak as if you no longer know who I am. I am Daily Alosikambo. I am a living deity. I am indestructible. I am unbreakable. There's a one. You did not build a coward. You did not build a weakling who fears anything. You built an immortal. You built a spirit that can never be broken by anything, not anybody. Not even an immortal. Why fret over a little boy? Why fret over Obidike or whatever he calls himself?
I neither fret nor tremble. What? I see doom. Igwendeli, I see doom. The fire in his eyes shows the extent he is ready to go.
No matter the extent he is ready to go, he can never defeat me. I am Igwendeli, I am indestructible. I am a living deity. I am the fire that can never be quenched. I am the steel that can never be broken. I am that being who does whatever he likes And there shall never ever be any consequences.
And so shall it remain. You shall remain the most powerful till the end of time.
There's a one in Germano. Whenever you speak about me in this manner, I know exactly what you want. I know what you demand from me. Come to me, my darling. Come and embrace Igwendeli, your king. For I shall give it to you, fire for fire, spirit to spirit, human to a semi-human. Come, my love. Come.
The tyrant king grows bolder with each passing day. His reach, his men, his charms. The people tremble. And I ask you, where exactly do you stand? The side of Ndeli or the truth that you have always been known for?
Obedike. Things are not always as they appear to be. Happen. It's not as easy as you think. Ife kante, bakwatagante no. I wish I could freely choose between the both sides, between the both divides, which side I stand. But Obedike, my hands are tied.
Before me, I see hands that are freely moving and mouths that can call evil the evil that it is and stir a revolution.
Words are easy to speak, but when acting the action comes, words seem to disappear. You see, you speak boldly, and I appreciate that. I honestly appreciate that. But I need to let you know that Ndeli is not an ordinary man. Oh, you will not understand. This is a man that no man, no woman in his or her right senses dare stand up to. Obedike, sometimes I even get afraid because it seems that the gods have allowed him to roam freely upon the surface of the earth. Obedike, truth be told, Ndeli has a right to vengeance. But unfortunately, I do not understand how he has become such a tyrant, such an epidemic, such a curse to the land that I cannot even begin to explain a percentage of what he is, what I know.
His dented image you try to launder stinks beyond redemption. But you can still redeem yours by working with me to save this land. You are a good and well-respected man before this conscription. Listen, you have a chance.
I should not even ordinarily be seen around you. Let me just drink up and go. I am not supposed to be found anywhere close to you. If you know what is happening, you will forgive me. We will communicate on the phone. I will look where I will bend down and check if I have any monitoring spirit following my shadows. When I have confirmed that, I will reach you. We will talk on the phone, before we can see again face to face. Adewama, my brother, I saved your number as only a slave. It's just for security reasons, strategy. Because let me come and be going, Be careful. I love what you're doing, but it is only a man who returns alive from battle and tells the story that is the hero. Otherwise, I can tell the story.
His father's blood was calling, whispering from the grave. Oh, a broken crown was waiting for the one it could not save. But a wounded heart can wonder, power can twist a man, a savior can lose his
This is our
last chance now. This is our last chance.
I am here.
I thought you said you don't want to die.
I'm here. What kind of life is this? I never thought I would try this.
We don't have a choice. Please. These men are everywhere.
Please.
You can't stay here. We can't stay here. Hey, if you move, I shoot.
Madam Grace.
Igwe.
I heard you stopped the sale of the market space I approved for the investors. Is it true?
Yes, Igwe. That space belongs to the women of this community. They trade there on a daily basis, paying their tax to the council. Igwe, selling it off is going to deny us our source of income.
So I presume you are opposing my orders?
I'm not opposing you, Igwe. I oppose injustice. It's unjust.
Go ahead and sign. Prove to me you're not countering my orders.
I'm not going to sign it. Signing it is a betrayal to my people.
You will not sign. Alright. Bomba, take this woman outside.